Hello and welcome back. Sean here again for another adventure from the paradise of Krabi. We have the Phi Phi Island Tour today. Let's do it. Just been picked up by Songtao. Looks like a beautiful day. So this is the boat that we're traveling on today. You can go from Raleigh to Koh Phi Phi Island in 45 minutes. We just stopped at Lolo, Phi Phi Island. This is Lolo Beach. We stopped here to do some snorkeling. The water is awesome. We've stopped here first because my bay is really packed right now. Hoping to get there at a good time where it's not too busy. Thai buffet lunch coming soon, and then Bamboo Island, Monk Beach and Pirate Caves to come. Get back to it. Just stopped at Monkey Island. The monkeys here pretty much own the place. It's their island, their beach, basically. It's jungle, so they're not always used to tourists, so you have to be a bit careful. Leaving Monkey Beach on the way to my bay. We're getting close to lunchtime, so it shouldn't be that busy. Fingers crossed. Anyway, let's see what happens. So just here at my bay, from Leonardo DiCaprio's The Beach. Here we are, my bay, right on the beach. Look at this amazing location. It just looks epic. It is one of those just amazing beaches. You just have a look at the color of the water. Such a cool experience. It's one of those things that just, the view just takes your breath away. It's pretty amazing. The colour of this water, so turquoise, absolutely beautiful, white sand. The water isn't as clear as what you would expect it to be. It is pretty clear though. But I guess with so many people visiting this beach every day, you know, by the thousands, sunscreen, things like that, the water is not going to be 100% clean. So, especially with the boats that come in and out of here too. As you can see, the boats in the background there. So it's still really nice, but not the clearest water. other highlights of the trip have been Maya Bay and Phang Nga Bay. So if you're coming to Thailand, I certainly recommend either Maya Bay and Phang Nga Bay, or both if you can do it. They're not too far away from each other, so you can certainly do it. And get out there, guys. You don't travel to escape life, but travel so then life doesn't escape you. There's a whole world to see, adventures to have. Come out and see it. It's one of those experiences. Definitely a bucket list location. Check out how clear this water is. So this is Pili Lagoon on Phi Phi Island. The water looks so great. So we're stopping here for a swim for a bit. Should be good. Just been swimming in Pili Lagoon. Pretty awesome. It's a good location. Check it out. There's a few here, but it's not too packed. It's good. Just here at the Viking Caves, stopping by for a quick photo on our way to Phi Phi for lunch. Alright, just finished up at lunch. Now heading down to the beach. We're gonna have a quick little swim. This is Phi Phi Cliff Beach Resort. Had a buffet lunch there. Pretty good. It's an all-you-can-eat lunch service. It's included as part of the tour. Green curry, tom yum soup, some fried vegetables, and deep fried chicken. Alright, so this is Bamboo Island. Looks really nice, water looks brilliant. Not too busy, it's quite nice. The water here looks amazing, really clear. The trip has been really good. Definitely recommend doing a Phi Phi Island tour from Krabi. The Sea Eagle tour, they have done a brilliant job, to be honest. Really nice. Awesome weather all day. The boat and the crew have been awesome. The tour itself is really good. And for the price you pay, you really can't go wrong. If you want to go on any of the tours that you see in this video, we do have the links for both Klook and Get Your Guide in the description below. They both offer amazing deals from time to time, so shop around, find yourself a great deal. We also get a small payment if you use those links, so it is win-win. Alright, let's get to it. Oh, the water's lovely. I could stay in here. Look at this water. Bamboo Island. Pretty awesome. Really, you can't beat this. At Paradise Adventures, we're all about going on amazing adventures in unbelievable locations. If that is something you like, then hit the like, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on a video, because we've got a lot of good stuff coming.